Understanding change for IELTS, meaning usage and examples. Change is a part of life. We see it every day, from the weather to our schedules. Today, we're going to learn about the word change and how to use it correctly in your IELTS exam. Word type. Change can be both a noun and a verb. This makes it a versatile word in English. Meaning, as a noun, change means the act of becoming different. As a verb, it means to make or become different. Word history. The word change comes from an old French word that meant to exchange or replace something. Antonyms. Some words that mean the opposite of change are stay the same, remain, and keep. Synonyms. Words that mean similar things to change include alter, modify, and adjust. Examples used in sentences. Here are 3 examples of how to use change in sentences. 1. The weather can change quickly, so always carry an umbrella. 2. We need to change our plans because of the rain. 3. Small changes in your daily routine can lead to big improvements in your life. Common errors in use. Be careful not to confuse change with exchange. Change means to make different, while exchange means to trade one thing for another. Also, remember that when using change as a verb, you don't need to add to. For example, say I want to change my shirt, not I want to change to my shirt. Change is an important word for your IELTS exam. It can help you discuss various topics, from personal experiences to global issues. Practice using change in your speaking and writing to become more comfortable with it. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel. Keep working on expanding your vocabulary, and you'll see your English skills change for the better.